internal blinds come in different formats, and this particular one is a pleated blind. It's one piece of material. We've got cords, rollers and a simple magnetic device. So you can open and close the doors however you like and not worry about any blinds being in the way.
There are times when privacy is important, just as important as keeping the light out on a bright day. This type of blind is internal. It sits between the glass, so there's no cleaning, there's no maintenance. It's a Venetian, it's available in a variety of different colours, and this one also has a tilt facility. It's ideal if you still want to let some light in. So here we also have internal blinds. These are Venetian as well, but we've got a real wow factor to these. Our customer and everybody that visits the home seems to love them, which is great. So on here we have photovoltaic cells. We're capturing free energy from the sun that's powering the motors. We can directly wire these through to the mains as well. Nice and easy to operate. Works off of a simple remote. We can operate all of them together or even operate them individually. And the good thing with this as well as having an open and a closed position, we can actually tilt the blinds.
Oh, every day.